The markets were shaken up today. Big names like Nvidia and other tech stocks took a major hit. And another name that we saw lots of today was DeepSeek. The Chinese AI startup company caused a lot of this drama that we saw today in the tech world. Here's a look at a few headlines. Why DeepSeek's AI model just became the top rated app in the US. Here's why DeepSeek AI does better than OpenAI's ChatGPT. So that's just to name a few. But let's start off with the overall market. It's been a red day. The NASDAQ was down, mostly because these tech stocks took a tumble, some by double digits, which we're going to be taking a look at. Let's start with Nvidia and Broadcom. Nvidia down 16%, Broadcom down 17.40%. So, yes, this is a rough day seeing these big tech stocks down by double digits. And this has investors worried about the future of AI spending, especially with seeing these headlines related to DeepSeek, which is a little bit hard for me to pronounce. So, excuse me that I'm stressing it the way I am. So it's making waves in the AI world, and we're going to talk about why this matters. So, DeepSeek has only been around for about a year. So, this AI app has been going viral. It has climbed to the top of Apple's US App Store. It's so popular that they had to redirect the signups because of the large scale malicious attacks that occurred this afternoon. So, what's got Wall Street so nervous about DeepSeek's claims is that they have built an AI model that is similar to Open ChatGPT, but at a fraction of the cost. So, they're reporting that they've spent 5.6 million to develop their models by comparison to US tech companies like Nvidia that have spent billions. So, this is causing fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So, the thought is if AI gets cheaper, the demand for chips might slow down. And that's why chip stocks like Nvidia and Broadcom were tanking today. So let's talk a little bit about what analysts are saying about this situation. They do not necessarily believe the $5.6 million figure that DeepSeek is sharing. They feel that it is misleading. And this is because the number does not include research and experiments and the massive resources that they needed to get there. So there's talks that their model called DeepSeek V3 uses some clever tricks to cut costs that we're not able to interpret just from hearing that one number. So make sure to leave me some comments and let me know your thoughts. When it comes to NVIDIA, another thing analysts are touching on is this the end of NVIDIA's growth? So while what DeepSeek has shared is impressive, AI adoption is still growing and more use cases means more demand for products in the long run. So I took today as an opportunity to add to my NVIDIA position and a few others. Analysts are also saying that some experts believe that DeepSeek could actually make AI more affordable and accessible. And that's a good thing for the industry. When things get more efficient, we end up using them more. For example, as AI gets cheaper to develop, more companies might adopt it and create more demand for chips over time. So while NVIDIA and others are facing these short term challenges, we have to think about the long term outlook of the company, which could still be bright and have lots of growth ahead. So, as one analyst put it, we're still going to need a lot of chips. So, the run is not done. So, if you're holding companies in your portfolio like NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductor, another one down 13.33% on the day, along with Broadcom, which we took a look at, down 17.40%, Microsoft down 2.14%, Google even down 4.2%. Today might be a rough day to look at your portfolio, but remember, the market is all about a long-term mentality. So these companies are still leaders in their field, and AI is not going away anytime soon. That being said, keep an eye on innovations and advancements in the news when it comes to things like DeepSeek, it's a reminder that the tech world moves fast and staying informed is key. Diversifying your portfolio and sticking to your plan can help you weather these storms. So, as I always encourage you guys, as I'm doing in my own personal life here, I don't panic when the market drops. It's going to be normal and hopefully very temporary, but you have to put in the work before you add investments so that you can know that you have stability in your portfolio. One way that I do that is by diversifying my investments. I have a strong foundation built on those ETFs, those bundles of stocks that help me to reduce the risk. I also do my research and have confidence in the investments that I put into my portfolio. So when I have to deal with a day like today, because I have Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, Microsoft, and Google. I have all of those in my portfolio. I know I did my research and I knew how I felt about adding them to my portfolio long before today. So I'm willing to be patient. And even great stocks like Nvidia are going to have these ups and downs, but I'm keeping my long term mentality and outlook when it comes to today and every day as I build my portfolio. So that's it for today. Just a quick breakdown of what's going on in the stock market, the buzz around DeepSpeak. Take a look at today's heat map. We see there was lots of red, but I saw some of these positions as buying opportunities because they are things that I am working on in my portfolio. So I'm staying the course and focusing on the big picture. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me some comments, and check out my referral links for Weeble and Moomoo, as well as channel membership. Those are all ways that you can support the channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.